Seger continues its journey that started with bob and wire production in Bursa in 1981 as a well-known 100% domestic horn brand in the world today. Seger is the leading horn manufacturer in Turkey and one of the renowned horn manufacturers in the world in the production of electric and air horns. Seger, which also operates in the international markets under Corsa brand, expands its operation network with sales offices in different countries in addition to its factories located in Bursa, Turkey and Dongguan, China. With its 2 registered brands known worldwide and more than 200 product types, Seger responds to any demand possible and adds new vehicle manufacturers to its customer portfolio each day. Seger pushes the boundaries with its capacity of 15 million horns per year. As a company that has IATF 16949 Automotive Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environment Management System, OHSAS 18001 Workplace Health and Safety Management System certificates, Seger strengthens its position in the global arena with its social responsibility projects. In 2016, Seger participated in Global Compact and signed on the Women's Empowerment Principles to ensure a sustainable society, with the motto, "The stronger the woman, the stronger the society." Seger spans every square inch of Turkey and listens to the sounds of roads. With data gathered from those field visits, Seger is able to enrich its sales and marketing activities. Every year, at least one new model is launched. Exports more than 70% of its products. Manufactures 1 horn per 4 seconds. Shelves are filled with Seger products both domestically and globally. Seger lifts up Turkey even higher in the global automotive sub-industry. Seger, the sound of safety and all the roads in the globe.